Let's quickly talk about how to navigate the chat. You can see all the different hotkeys up here. Tooltip. You can zoom in and out. You can click and drag. If you press Shift while zooming, you pan instead. This small red diamond symbol here is a raid. So at this moment in the stream, Broxa got a raid from Luolo with 1,418 viewers. If you hold down Command or Control, you can make a box and you zoom into that specific area. If you press Shift while making a box, you will copy the timestamps from the start to the end, and then you're ready to download that specific clip. I figured out that this is an interesting moment that I want to use for my content. I can press Shift, I can mark the start and end time, and the times here will be updated. I can download the clip, or I can download the chat, or both. Let's close this again. In certain chats, there will be a huge difference between the height of the spikes and the general noise of the background chat. In that case, you can go over to chart settings, and in y-axis scale, you can choose something different than linear, like log scale or square root. It will compress the chart a little bit, but in most cases, you just want to use the linear scale here. You can click anywhere on the chart. You can see that the video player down here will update to that timestamp and the chat window as well. That way you can easily see what happens, both with gameplay, and you can see what people are chatting about. You can scroll up and down.